It's Labor Day weekend. The dog days of summer are behind us. My hot pepper plants are maturing. Queen Elizabeth has decided to bloom again. We have had a lot of rain over the last 3 weeks, and the tomatoes have had all kinds of disease problems, but there are still a lot of tomatoes on the vines, and we'll be picking them for the next few weeks at least. Hopefully some of the plants will make it to the first frost. As a gardener, I tend to spend too much time thinking about the future, preparing the beds, planting the seeds, raising the plants, watering and fertilizing and weeding, all in the hopes of getting something to eat in 50 to 100 days. It's easy to forget to actually harvest something and eat it, to live in the moment. A little bit of fresh kale for dinner. Looks like our friend the cat is here. Hey, kitty. Here's some nice tomatoes to take inside. There are more on the vines, but I'm going to leave them for tomorrow. Somebody asked me about that one slicer tomato, whether it was actually big enough to make a one-slice sandwich. The answer is yes, it was, just barely. But I've had some bigger tomatoes. So let's go inside and I'll show you how a one-slicer sandwich is made. With a little imagination, you can hear the bacon sizzle. And you can smell the aroma. Two slices of white bread from Harris Teeter. It's soft and delicious. Certified cage-free mayonnaise. Add as much as you desire. One slice Kraft Singles American pasteurized prepared cheese product. America. One center cut tomato slice, big enough to cover it all. Add salt and pepper to taste. Three half strips fried bacon. Top with some romaine lettuce. And dig in. Doesn't get much better than that. So good. But that's enough of my culinary prowess. I'd like to spend the rest of this video talking about my YouTube channel. It's hard to believe, but I've been doing this for almost 2 years. And this is my 100th video. When I started out, I had no intention of making a gardening YouTube channel. I actually wanted to make a channel about fixing and operating toy and scale model trains like this. But I didn't know how to operate a YouTube channel or even how to make videos. And I was running an experiment with my wife's flower house to see if I could extend my growing season to the end of December. And one thing led to another. And now here we are, 100 videos later. Over time, I've expanded my subject matter to include auto repair, boat repair, and I'm going to start including some stuff on trains as well, and I'll label each one of the categories so you can decide if you want to watch before you watch. Along with those 100 videos, I now have just over 100 subscribers. And if that holds true to form, I'll only need to produce 900 more videos before I have enough subscribers to monetize my channel. And at one a week, I should be able to finish that up in about 17 years. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now is probably a good time. As gardeners, we look towards the future. Fall is almost here. It's time to switch over from summer to fall gardening. I have a new granddaughter on the way. That's exciting news. And I'll have some time over the winter to build motors and fix trains and do the things I enjoy when I can't spend as much time working outside. So that's really all for today. If you guys don't have anything growing, not too late to get some stuff in the ground. Turn off YouTube, get outside and make some stuff grow. I finished turning the compost pile. Given enough time and enough effort, you can turn clay back into fertile soil. You just have to do the work. To quote Diego Footer, be nice, be thankful, and do the work. It seems like no garden video would be complete without a visit from the cat. G'day! Hey! Loafer.